Hi, どうもこんにちは。I'm RumiCar from RumiCar. Hello. We held a RumiCar workshop at the Center for Computing History, a museum located in Cambridge, UK. 2 children and their parents participated in the workshop. They programmed RumiCar's Arduino computer module by connecting it to Raspberry Pi provided by the museum. Yes, Cambridge is the home of Raspberry Pi. Thank you, Anjali and Kenneth, for your cooperation. Anjali, head of learning at the CCH, supported us by planning and promoting the event, organizing it on the day and preparing the equipment. Kenneth, who is involved in RumiCar's UK activities, assisted on the day and gathered feedback and opinions from the parents and Anjali. I hope we can run more RumiCar workshops during the next school holidays. See you in the next video.